I sell this exact AI video system to clients on Upwork from anywhere between $1,500 to $3,000 a month. And here's the wild part. Each 10-second video only costs me about $1.50 to generate.
Listen to soft.com only for you. Just tap calling for you.
That came from WAN 2.5. And in this video, I'll show you how I turned $1.50 clips into recurring contracts worth thousands of dollars every single month. Making one clip at a time is fun, but it's not a business. Clients don't pay for gimmicks. They pay for systems that scale. That's why I start every project with 3 simple steps: a strong image, a descriptive prompt, and 1 test run for proof. The 2 examples that I showed you took about 3 minutes to generate at a cost of about $1.50 each. Imagine offering brands hundreds of these videos at scale. Brands will pay anywhere between $2,000 to $5,000 a month for this type of content pipeline because it replaces an entire creative ad team. And if you stick around, I'll show you exactly how you can find these types of clients willing to pay this money. So how do you turn this from a simple idea into a client system? That's where my end-to-end workflow comes in. This is what happens behind the scenes. You upload your image and your prompt into a simple form. And this is what the form looks like. Now, because this is image to video, you want to be very descriptive with your prompts. If you put garbage in, you're going to get garbage out. The second field is the attach image. And this is where you attach the influencer or the product image. Once you submit the form, it will then save it to Google Drive. It will change the permissions, and then it will generate the video in WAN 2.5 using a platform called file.ai. It then waits for the video. So each process takes anywhere between 2 to 3 minutes, but I've built in a feedback loop. So if the status isn't completed, it will just keep checking and waiting for the video to finish. And once the video is complete, the last node here will actually get the video URL. Under the hood, it looks like magic. And this is what clients are willing to pay for. And if you're not sure how to prompt for product images or influencer style videos, head over to the WAN 2.5 community. There's a ton of examples here. They've all been generated in WAN 2.5.
Listen to the sound. Calm.
And the best thing is, the prompts are already generated for you. So you can literally copy this and paste it into the quick prompt field. And this is how you find clients. Head over to upwork.com and do a search for AI video or UGC videos. The first search result is a great example. This was posted a few minutes ago, and you can see from the title that they want an AI-powered product image and video generation for e-commerce, which is absolutely perfect for everything that I'm looking for in a client. They're payment verified, they've got almost 5 stars, they've spent $90,000 plus on Upwork, and they're from Switzerland. But here's the best part. They're willing to pay anywhere between $25 to $70 an hour for the automation that I'm showing you. And you can click inside the description and get more information about the product, the business, and the types of videos that they want. That's what clients pay for: unlimited autopilot videos. And when you pitch it like this, instead of paying me $70 an hour for edits, I'll give you a system that makes videos for $1.50 each. When you look at it from the client's perspective, suddenly $500, $1,000, or even $5,000 a month retainers make complete sense. Do the math. 100 videos is $150. Package this as a $3,000 a month retainer, and you're running a 20x retainer for yourself and still giving your client a massive edge. That's why this works so well on Upwork. And I'll be perfectly honest, WAN 2.5 isn't perfect, but it doesn't matter because clients don't care about the technology. They care about scale, savings, and results. And this is the worst this AI will ever be. From here, it only gets better. And if you want to download this exact template, click on the link in my description, follow the on-screen instructions, and I'll see you inside my private AI community. Thank you so much if you made it this far. Smash the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and support the channel. Turn the notifications on so you can see when the next video drops. And I'll see you next time for more AI tips, side hustles, and strategies that make you more money.